Let's generate our first image using presets. Presets are predefined styles that apply a specific look and feel to your image. You can explore different styles for your image using presets. Now select the model. Let's choose Gemini Nano Banana. We'll use one simple prompt and see how different presets change the output. Enter this prompt: a close-up portrait of a cat, centered, neutral background, sharp focus. Now select the Photographic preset and click Generate. The image appears more realistic with natural lighting and details. Next, switch to the Pixel Art preset and generate again. The same prompt is now transformed into a retro pixel-style image. Now select the Comic Book preset and generate again. The output changes into a bold, illustrated comic-style visual. Finally, select an Anime preset and generate once more. You'll see the same subject reimagined in a clean anime-style illustration. This shows how presets apply different styles and give a specific look and feel to your image. In the next video, we'll explore how to write better prompts for more control over your images.